Let's see how to insert current date with a shortcut key into Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to insert our current date into our document. So to do that, we can head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Date and Time, and this window should pop up where you can select your format on what kind of format you want to insert your date and time in. Now click on OK, and as you can see, we now have our current date right there. However, to make things a little bit easier, we can insert our current date using shortcut key. So to do that, simply type in or simply click Alt, Shift, and B on your keyboard. And just like that, we now have our current date there as well. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.